What if a few humble ingredients could give your dish that sweet, salty, rich, and ready to share?
Tortilla Española is one of those dishes that's simple but feels special. I wanted to make it because it's warm, comforting, and brings people together.
Tortilla Española, or Spanish omelette, dates back to the 19th century. It became popular as a simple, filling dish for farmers and workers. It's made with just a few ingredients like potatoes, eggs, and sometimes onions. Where every family has its own way of making it. In Spain, it's often eaten as a tapas, a light snack with drinks, or served as a full meal. Let's get started. Thinly sliced potatoes and onions. Heat olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the sliced vegetables and cook gently. Cook them slowly so they soften without browning. Stir occasionally and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. While they cook, beat the eggs in a large bowl. When the veggies are ready, drain off excess oil and add them into the eggs. Mix gently to combine. Add a little oil to the pan and heat on medium-low. Pour the egg mixture back into the pan and spread it evenly. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the edges are set. Now for the tricky part, flipping it. Cover with a plate and flip it in one smooth move. Slide it back in and cook the other side for 5 minutes. Once golden and cooked through, remove from the pan. I forgot the salt and pepper. Let's fix that now. Slice and enjoy warm over at room temperature. It looks perfect, golden outside, soft inside. Let's try it. The texture is amazing. Soft, creamy, and just the right amount of richness. And even though I added a salt and pepper at the end, it still tastes great. Simple ingredients shared with care. That's the heart of home cooking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.